What's up, comrades? I'm here to talk about gravitational waves and space travel. So, apparently, a group of researchers, I don't know the name off the top of my head, have discovered using measurements gravitational waves. This is a very interesting thing because apparently Albert Einstein predicted this a long time ago. It is very interesting to me that it seems to be a reality because when I was learning about gravity in high school and grade school, it wasn't proven yet, so you didn't really focus on gravitational waves. It's like there's a thing called gravity, and it keeps us all stable. It keeps everything stable. It's the reason why you can only jump a certain height. It's the reason why you weigh a certain amount of kilograms or pounds. So it's interesting to see gravitational waves, and I'm curious to see what the implications of this are. And one of the ways I think it would help a lot to find out about the implications of gravitational waves is by investing more in space travel technology, especially like human space travel technology. If you've noticed some of my other videos talking about space travel, I've been talking about why we should go into space. Well, now we have another reason: gravitational waves. We can find out what this means, to us. What effect does it have on the universe, on physics? And on top of that, on top of when I say that, I mean gravitational waves. That is also just one scientific research topic aside from countless others that can be studied. We can potentially find out more about black holes as well. I believe that there's only so much we can learn about black holes from a stationary telescope here on a single planet. If we were able to get closer to a black hole, we might be able to detect some things that we could not otherwise detect. Possibly. I think it's possible. However, there's also other things. There's countless other topics. There's probably lots and lots of topics that I'm simply just not aware of, that other scientists, astrophysicists, astronomers, and space engineers are more aware of than me. And perhaps, this is a hypothesis, by the way, I'm just throwing this out. This is a hypothesis, not a theory. Perhaps gravitational waves could be used to help make space travel faster. Because this is the hypothesis, if the gravitational waves can be used to help push a ship, like how surfers use tidal waves and water to oceanic waves to help push them forward, then perhaps a gravitational wave can help push a ship forward faster than on its own. But again, I do not know all the different detailed dynamics. I'm going to assume here that water waves and space gravitational waves are probably different on many levels. They might be. I'm going to assume they probably are, unless they're not. I don't know. Again, it's all hypothesis. This is not a theory. Just wanting to verify that there's a difference. In case you do not know what a hypothesis is, there's a difference. If there might even be scientists out there right now who are wondering about that. Could gravitational waves be used to help push a spaceship? The thing is, it's very early in the research because they just discovered this very recently. So more tests have to be done, and I am one to say yes to that. I am the one to say I approve of this, and I believe one way to make this happen, especially critically, is by sending spaceships into space and being able to test out gravitational waves of gravity within space itself. I think that would be a good way of doing it. So what do you guys think? These are my thoughts. Again, I presented a hypothesis, not a theory, a hypothesis. There's a difference. I know I said that already, just saying it again. But yeah, so tell me what you think. You think it's a good idea? You think it's a bad idea? I think it's a good idea. I think anything space travel related is possibly a good idea, most likely. unless they're. I can't think of anything bad off the top of my head right now, but there's probably going to be some issues. But that's it for this video, and thanks for watching, comrades.